Something curious? What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Buying songs.
How many songs are you buying?
1 plus 1 plus 1. 4?
4 songs. Buy me.
Wait, what?
Buy a video.
You're making videos. We don't need to buy them anymore.
Buy Candyman from. Forget her name.
Do you want to hear what I bought? For us? For you? Leaf bag? Bag leaf?
You can't remember that.
I don't remember. Purchase. Oops.